Good morning, students. Welcome to my series of tense. In my previous video, I have discussed what is past tense and how to form a simple past tense. Now, let's see the uses of simple past tense. Simple past tense is used for actions finished in the past or the action which was happened or finished at a specific time in the past. Now see the examples. He arrived from Japan yesterday. Yesterday is a specific time in the past. Yesterday refers the past time, today refers the present time, and tomorrow refers the future time. Okay. And simple past tense is used for actions which was happened or completed or finished at a specific time in the past, such as yesterday, the previous day, last year, or 5 years ago, and so on. And this sentence, he arrived from Japan yesterday. This sentence means that the action finished at a specific time, that is yesterday, in the past, and hence I have used simple past tense. Clear? Now see the next one. I saw a movie. This sentence also means that it is a action in the past time, because seeing a movie was happened in the past, though here the specific time is not mentioned. Sometimes the speaker may not actually mention the specific time, but they have one specific time in mind. Okay. And in such type of sentences in the past, when the action finished in the past, sometimes the specific time is not mentioned, though we use simple past tense. Clear? Simple past tense can also be used with a duration which starts and stops in the past, such as I lived in Brazil for 2 years. In this sentence, the duration is 2 years and lived is here. The lived is the past form of main verb live, which indicates the past time of the action. I lived in Brazil for 2 years. Okay, here the action was happened or finished in the past with a duration, that is 2 years. Now I am not living there. Okay, and so here I have used simple past tense. And in such type of sentences, you must use simple past tense. Now see the next example. We talked on the phone for 30 minutes. Here the duration is 30 minutes. The duration may be short or long, it does not matter. Here the duration is 30 minutes, and talked is the past form of main verb talk, which indicates that it is an action of past time with a duration 30 minutes. Okay, and therefore here I have used simple past tense. Clear? Now see the next use of simple past tense, that is habits in the past. Simple past can also be used to describe a habit which stopped in the past. Now check the example. When I was a child, I played the violin. This sentence means that playing violin was my old habit, but now I am grown up. So now I don't play the violin. When I was a child, I played the violin. It was my old habit. Okay. So here I use simple past tense, and in such type of sentences to describe a old habit which stopped in past, you can use simple past tense. Clear? Hope you have understood this very clearly, and now you can use sentences of simple past tense. According to the sequence, my next video will be about past continuous tense. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.